You've stumbled into Brenda's Boring Blog. This is where I actually go over some tips and tricks to handle hooded eyes, makeup for mature skin. I do some other things that are a lot more fun too. And they usually involve wine. This is my pride and joy. This is my love. This is my passion. Makeup is a lot of fun, but art is something else. I bought this dollhouse for $10 at a thrift store many years ago, and I have been working on it a good deal of the time. It's almost done. We're down to one room. I've also found that crafting gets frustrating, and wine calms the nerves. And finally, what I really like to focus on is cosplay that involves scoliosis. I have a severe curvature of the spine that has been treated. However, putting on a corset is a real challenge. I actually need somebody to do it for me. I will never be able to do it by myself. I have multiple videos that show you this process, what costumes I wear to accommodate this, and how my shoulders and my hips are unbalanced, and how I learn to pose so that when you're looking at me, you cannot tell that I am facing challenges to look as great as I do. I hope you enjoy my videos.